Hello everyone, and in this video I have a special car here for unboxing. It's a 1/64th scale RWB 993 Tarmac from Tarmac Works, and it comes in a really unique metal oil can packaging. So this was the cardboard cover, and now let's take a look at the oil can. This is the oil can, which has the same design as on the cardboard cover. There is also a removable cap on the top. After removing the top lid of the oil can, there is a foam protective covering for the car. That's the car, and inside the can there is one more piece of foam. Now moving on to the most interesting part of the video. So that was the paper sleeve, and now moving on to the car. It also includes the collector's card, and this is car number 1218. This car has its livery inspired from the Porsche 956, which raced in a similar number 7 Newman livery in the 1985 Le Mans. Now let's zoom in to all of its details. There is a photo-etched Porsche logo over here, and a red tow hook and canards on the front bumper. There is the aerodisc wheel cover on the wheel, which has the Porsche script and the RWB logo. The tires also have idlers branding on them. The tail lights are really well detailed, and there is a Tarmac logo on both sides of the bumper. There is again a Tarmac logo on the windshield and a RWB logo under it. There is also a canard on the rear fender, and the Tarmac logo and the Porsche script on the side. The aerodisc wheel cover is fixed and cannot be separated from the wheel. The wipers are separate and are not molded in with the windshield. There is a Tarmac logo on both sides of the rear wing, and there are two more Tarmac logos on the top of the rear wing as well. Moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed. There is also a roll cage at the back. Both the seats have Recaro branding on them, but only on the driver's side. There is a green seat belt with Takata branding and a 6-point harness. There is also the RWB banner on the front windscreen. The rearview mirrors have chrome inserts in them, and they reflect really well. The base again has the Tarmac logo printed on it. The car looks really amazing outside the base. The chassis is not well detailed, but it looks really good. The exhaust muffler and tips have silver paint on it. There is also an RWB logo over here and a sticker bump under the rear wing, which is only visible if you look from below. You can see how clear the tail lights are in light. There is also a Kamiwasa Japan logo under the tail lights. The front wheel does not roll freely, but the back wheel does not roll at all. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and see you later.